Andrei, you're gonna put more chipsies on your shoulder.
I know, Andrei. Maybe I kick and then I want my
Let's see.
shoulder. I cannot put it on my shoulder.
He's gonna come. Look, he's coming to eat it.
Oh my gosh, again.
No, but put it on your shoulder like this, Andrei.
I know.
Not on your neck, but on your shoulder. On the other side. On the other side. Let's see. Oh, he's gonna come.
He's on your back.
Oh, he stole it. Look, he stole it. We are at the ducky pond and they have little duckies over here too. Oh, duckies are so cool. And we have plenty of people feeding the birds here. Okay, Scarlett, give Scarlett some chipsies too. Okay. And Bobby. Okay, do it again. Let's see. Put some more on your shoulder. Let's see. Is he gonna get it? Hold it in your hands. Hold it in your hands. Let's see. Is he gonna jump and get it? Okay. Just put it close. Let's see. Okay. Put it lower. Put it lower. Oh, he's coming. He's coming.
Oh my God.
Okay, hold it. Hold it. Just like that. Hold it. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Good job. Look at that.
Can I try two?
Yeah. Okay, Bobby. Let's see. Are they gonna come? Oh, yep. Okay.
Ow! Oh
No.
my
Hold.
God.
Hold it. He's not gonna do anything. Okay. Let me go from this other side. Opa! You scared him. Okay. Let's see. Okay, Bobby. You get some too. You get some in your hand. They'll come. Good job.
I don't know. Get him.
No, don't get him. Good job. Look how cute he is. Yeah. So he's looking at you. You say hello. Say hello. Good job.
Bring it home.
He's gonna bring it home and do a pet?
Yes.
Nice. Good job. Whoa, look. Oh, he left. Okay. Okay, just like that. Let's see. Are they gonna come? Just go lower, Bobby. Go lower too. Oh, look. There's one right behind you, Bobby. Just give it. You see? Just hold it. Hold it.
I'm at the white.
All right. We'll try again later, I guess. What's Scarlett? You want some chipsies too? Chippies? You want chippies? Andrei, can Scarlett get some chippies? Here, Bobby, give some chippies to Scarlett. All right, good job. Okay. For sure. Okay, they might not come anymore.
Yeah, they will.
They will? Well, put it lower. Put your hands lower. Let's see. Okay, hold it there. Hold it. Okay, now put it higher a little bit so they can come up. Okay, and then hold it there. Okay, just like that. Are they coming? They're gonna come, I think. Let's see. They're thinking about it. Let's see. See, come on, guys. Come on, guys. Uh-oh, he came. Look, up. Easy. Okay, just stay there. Don't move. Don't move. Ah, you scared them. Okay, let's see. Are they coming? Uh-oh. Yeah, go slowly. I think the grass is gonna change a little bit. There's somebody's feeding the pigeons over here, and we are trying to reach this sprinkler. The kids want to go play at the sprinkler, and over there in the background they have some hula dancing training. Okay, Scarlett, you're gonna get wet too. Come to Papa. Let me take your little dress out. Hey, Scarlett, you wanna go play too? You do? Okay, well I know. Well, let me get you gotta get your dress down. Yeah, the pink dress, and you wanna go there? Uh-oh, what's Andrei doing? Oh no! What's Bobby doing? Good job. That's super funny. Oh no! Oh, we're gonna get wet. Scarlett, come to Papa. Scarlett. Scarlett, let me get your dress off. Scarlett. Whee! Yes, come. Uh-oh. Well, you guys gotta go and run. Not that close. Go far out. Hey, go far out. Scarlett, what are they doing? What are these boys doing? Let's see. You wanna go in? Scarlett, you wanna go there too? Oh no! You're gonna get splashed. We gotta run away, Scarlett. The water's coming. Uh-oh, we're gonna do water ninja. Is that a water ninja? Oh, straight up in the face. OMG. Oh, we're getting... What is over there? Oh yeah, they're dancing hula. You wanna see them dancing hula? Yeah, they're having over there some hula dancing competition. Well, not competition, I'm sorry, training. All right, good job. You don't want the water? No, okay, let's come. Papa's gonna hold you. Uh-oh, we're gonna get splashed, Scarlett. We gotta go around.
I don't want to play anymore.
Are you cold? Okay, let's go wipe up, guys. Come on, bye-bye.